Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what I had for breakfast. This was like the best smoothie. I love spinach and kale smoothies, and this recipe right here is like one of my go-to recipes. And I couldn't let the day go by without sharing with you guys how I made this smoothie. First off, as you can clearly see, I'm cleaning the kale. Kale is very similar to collard greens or mustard greens. It's a leafy green vegetable which always has a lot of bugs. So I like to let my kale soak in some salted water, and I just take my time and clean it. Most times when I get kale, I'll clean the entire bunch and I'll just refrigerate it. I am going to do the same thing with the spinach. I'm using pre-packaged, ready to eat spinach, but I highly recommend that you always rinse all of your vegetables off. So I'm just going to rinse my spinach off as well. And here we go. I have my spinach, my kale, grapes, strawberries, ginger. Yeah, I have some ginger in there, chia seeds, banana, and Greek yogurt. Yes, Greek yogurt. And I'm just going to start to assemble this. Now, a quick tip: taste your fruit. Whatever fruit you are using for your smoothie, make sure it's sweet. So you have to taste it first, okay? Ordinarily, I would add in some ice, because you want your smoothie to be really cold. I did not have ice. When you make yours, add in the ice first, okay? Then add in your fruit. I'm adding in some ginger, and then I've added in my chia seeds and my Greek yogurt. Now, all of these items are going to make this smoothie really sweet, okay? These are your sugars, okay? And the Greek yogurt, of course, that's your protein, and yeah, your omega-3s is in the chia seeds. So you are getting a really healthy breakfast in this blender right here. This holds me over for the entire morning. I get so much energy. I feel full. And yeah, this is like one of the best smoothies that I normally make. Okay, sometimes I'll even add oatmeal to my smoothie, and it's just like really filling, and it's really good. So I hope that you guys like this video. Comment below, let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. And yes, it's in a wine glass. They're like, she put that in a wine glass? Yes, I did.